Welcome to Vego Garden. My name is Kiana, here with the customer support team. And today I'm going to be explaining to you what the numbers in our garden beds mean. The number indicates how many configurations you can get out of your garden bed kit. Most of our garden beds come in 3 different heights: 11-inch, 17-inch, and 32-inch. For instance, this is our 11-inch 4-in-1 pearl white garden bed in the configuration of 2 feet by 5 feet. We call it the 4-in-1 because you can assemble it in 4 different configurations. Our 4-in-1 bed comes with 4 1.5-foot panels and 4 corner panels. This bed comes with no bracing rods, and it also comes in our 4 colors: pearl white, modern gray, olive green, and British green. Now, if you look over here, you'll see our 17-inch 6-in-1 garden bed in the color pearl white. We call it the 6-in-1 because you can assemble it in 6 different configurations. It comes with 6 1.5-foot wide panels and 4 corner panels, so you can get 1 garden bed out of your kit. This garden bed comes with no bracing rods. Our 6-in-1 comes in our 4 wonderful colors. Now here you're looking at one of our best sellers. You're looking at a 32-inch 9-in-1 garden bed in the color British green. This garden bed is in the configuration of 2 by 8 foot. 9-in-1 garden beds come with 8 1.5-foot straight panels and 4 corner panels, so you can get 1 garden bed out of your kit. With extra tall beds like this, it comes with bracing rods and also comes in our 4 beautiful colors. You'll see that it's empty, and we're really excited for the spring so we can fill. Now here you see our largest garden bed. This is our 10-in-1 in the color modern gray. This 10-in-1 garden bed is in the configuration of 4 by 8. Our 10-in-1s come with 4 corner panels, 4 1.5-foot straight panels, and 4 2-foot panels. Our 10-in-1 is called 10-in-1 because you can assemble it in 10 different configurations. Our 10-in-1 comes with bracing rods. The bracing rods comes in the options of 2.5-foot, 4-foot, or 4.5-foot, depending on what configuration you put your garden bed in. Our 10-in-1 is available in all 4 of our wonderful colors. All of our configurations for each garden bed can be found on our product page. Just scroll down till you see the word configuration, and there will be a diagram with all of the information. If none of those configurations work for your space, then you can explore your other options with our other garden beds, like our specialty L and U-shaped garden beds, our 42-inch round garden beds, or even our rolling elevated garden beds. You can also customize your garden bed with our extension kits. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gardening.